This is Mubashir Ali from TLC Media. Today we have got a special guest. He is Sajid Bashir. So let's start our interview. I am going to throw first question to you. My first question is, why is life of Karachi city unbelievably complicated?
Because the people, you are saying right that the Karachi is facing the complicated in these situations, because the peoples are very quite busy and there are target killing, and this is a very difficulties for the people to face and do their duties.
So my second question is, how is earning lots of money in Karachi incredibly hard?
As we know that the Karachi is a big city and the people have to do the job and have to earn the money for their and arranging the meals for their dependents, and they have to survive the long distance for their jobs, and that is why there are a lot of pollutions and traffic jam problems they have to face, and they have to survive it. So that is why I think that they have to difficulties to earn the money.
So why don't people of Karachi have moral support for others?
You can say that I told you before that the Karachi peoples are quite busy people, and they don't have a sufficient time for their families. So how can they give the time to others?
So there's a solution for this according to you?
There's a solution for this according to me, that the people should be depend on their self and think the people that if our government can be good, so it will be better than them.
So my fourth question is, why have you always wanted to see in Karachi? What have you always wanted to see in Karachi?
I wanted to see that Karachi, the land of opportunity, and the people have a love and affection in the city.
So when will you happy at the back and see no killings in Karachi city?
Sorry?
When will we happy sit back and see no killings in Karachi city?
I didn't get your words.
So I'm saying that.
Next question.
Yes. So my next question is, when were you last hopeless? How did you overcome your hopelessness?
I never hopeless in my life, because I have a faith in my Allah. When I get into the hurt water, my Allah let me out from these troubles, that I never feel helpless in my life.
So according to you, the key for hope is God. So my second question is, how should the people of Karachi cope with the problems of the city?
The people should have to depend on law and
so no problem. So according to you, the government has responsible and government can do and can give relief to the citizens of the Karachi. So my eighth question is, what do you think of those people who do their things very properly?
They are those people who are sophisticated in their life. They are very regular and punctual in their life, and educated person. They are surviving very well in their life.
So why are Americans and British societies so lucky in their living standard?
American and British society is so lucky because they have a love and affection in there, and they also follow the laws, and their government also follow the laws, and they are leave to others. That is why they are.
So according to you, there is a duty from the citizens and from the government. Citizens and government.
This is a duty of the citizens and the government, that they cooperate to each other to survive the better life in their city and.
Okay, so have a good time. So I think you enjoyed it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.